Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. My name is Rebecca Austin, Kajabi mentor and conversion coach. And today I have a guest on our video. This is Sissy, my daughter's bird. She decided that she was going to be a little bit noisy for me on recording. So she's going to join us on my shoulder. Today, we are diving into a topic that so many of us face, but rarely talk about, and that is imposter syndrome. If you've ever felt like you're not good enough, like you're not qualified enough to teach or coach others, this video is for you. So let's unpack it a little bit together. What exactly is imposter syndrome? Well, it's a name that's given to that nagging feeling that you're not as capable or skilled as others think you are. It's the voice in your head saying, "Who do you think you are to be doing this?" But here's the truth. If you've ever doubted yourself, you're in good company. Pretty much every entrepreneur that I work with from a coaching perspective faces this at one time or another. And I myself have on many occasions. Even the most successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, and creatives have struggled with this. So let's talk about how imposter syndrome might show up in your life. Well, maybe you find yourself constantly second guessing your decisions or abilities. Maybe you're stuck in a cycle of self doubt. Perfectionism might be holding you back too, setting impossibly high standards for yourself and feeling like a failure when you don't meet them. You might attribute your success to luck instead of your hard work and skills, or you may even live with a fear that someone will eventually find out you're not as capable as you presented yourself to be. Sound familiar? Like I said, you are not alone. So, what can you do to overcome imposter syndrome? Well, first, recognize it for what it is. Those feelings of inadequacy are just mental roadblocks, not reflections of your true abilities. Acknowledging that this is imposter syndrome is the first step toward moving past it. Focus on your wins, big or small. Take some time to list your achievements and remind yourself of the value you've already created. It's easy to forget how far you've come when you're always focusing on the next goal. Another helpful strategy is to reframe your thoughts. Instead of thinking, "I don't know enough," tell yourself, "I'm constantly learning and growing." That growth mindset is key to building confidence and embracing your journey as an entrepreneur. Remember, too, and this is the thing that helped me the most, is recognizing that you are on your journey. There's always going to be people that are above you in knowledge and skill, so to speak. But there's also a lot of people that have not gotten to where you are who can really benefit from your expertise. Also, don't forget to lean on your support system. Talk to a coach, mentor, or peer group. Chances are they felt the same way at some point and can offer valuable guidance and encouragement. You don't have to navigate these feelings alone. And finally, take action despite your doubts. Confidence grows through action, even if you feel nervous. Show up, serve your audience, and trust that your efforts will make an impact. The more you do, the more your confidence will grow. Imposter syndrome doesn't define you and it doesn't have to hold you back. The fact that you're here watching this video means you're invested in your growth, and that's something to be proud of. I hope this video gave you some clarity and confidence to move forward. And if it did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who might need it. And let me know in the comments, how do you handle imposter syndrome? I'd love to hear your tips and strategies. And remember, the key to success is taking action despite the doubts. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.